Welcome to this video. Apologies for not being uploading videos on a more frequent basis lately, but I've been really busy with my membership. You might have heard of it. It's called the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator, and if you want to take your chatbots to the next level, then this is the membership for you to join. So I will leave a link in the description itself so you can take a look if it's something that you would be interested in. And currently I'm also having a 60% discount on my lifetime deal. But enough about that. This video is all about how to use your chatbot for social media posting. And in my example, I'm going to post tweets towards Twitter directly from my chatbot using Connexit as a third-party connector. So the way to do this is that you basically go towards Connexit. The way to do this is inside of Connexit, you need to create a webhook, and then you will copy the webhook URL inside of your chatbot. And that looks a little bit like this. So if we take a look here, you will see that I pasted the webhook response, right? So the webhook URL, and then inside the body, because we do not need any kind of headers, this is automatically being applied by UChat in this case. But if we go towards the body, the only thing that I have is a simple JSON file. And inside of this JSON file, I'm basically giving the content for my tweet. Then soon as Connexit receives this, you will see that they receive the content that I set up inside of my JSON body. And then they receive the value, I'm loving this chatbot to Twitter posting, right? So you can see if I take a look here, I posted this tweet directly from my chatbot. That was the previous value that they received. And then I'm going with a Twitter module inside of Connexit. Once doing so, I'm going to choose the action create tweet, and then I'm going to post this message that I set up in my JSON body, right? So this one, I'm going to post that as my tweet. So I can just go inside the chatbot, change the body content, and then just publish and preview it. So let's test this out to see how this works. So let's do something like, so let's say that we are going with this content. So going live today, showing how to create advanced email marketing campaigns directly inside your chatbot. Who is joining, right? So let's save this and then let's test this out. Let's see if we can receive a value. So the way to do this, you can just go inside the external request itself, make sure that the content is all right, and then I'm just going to test this. I will get a message 200, response code is 200, and the message success is okay. So Connexit should now receive the message inside the webhook response and then post this for me directly on my Twitter profile. So let's take a look at my Twitter profile right now. And let's refresh. And there we have it. Going live today, showing you how to create advanced email marketing campaigns directly inside your chatbot. Who is joining? So this is a fantastic way if you don't have any social media managers, for example, or if you're mainly active on Twitter or on Facebook, then you can post directly from your chatbot. You can set up whole campaigns inside your chatbot, do a broadcast, or just preview it so it gets transferred over to the correct social media platform, right? So this is a fantastic way to use chatbots as a totally different purpose, use case, right? Where you can use it as your social media manager, basically. So if you enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like because it will help me reach more people and show how powerful chatbots really are. If you would like to get notified of more of these kinds of videos, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification to the right of it. Have a great day for now. Take care and talk soon.